Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Sony WH-1000XM5 to your Apple Watch. So right here I have an Apple Watch. Now let's turn it on. It's in Polish, so simply just follow the icons I press, and here I need to enter the password because this one is protected by a password. Now press the wheel button in order to pop up your apps menu. Now locate your settings icon right here. We can scroll down and find Bluetooth. Here we'll be able to see all available devices, but now we can move to our headphones. So first turn them off, turn them on, which the button for it is located on your left headphone. Hold it for a few seconds until this LED flashes blue. Now you can let go. Now we need to enter pairing mode and simply hold the button again until you hear entering pairing mode. Now we've just entered pairing mode, and as you can see already, they shown up right here. We can press on them and we're paired. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.